Hello everyone, we are presenting our project LingoMotion, an AI-powered application that translates sign language into English in real time to create more inclusive communication. Many deaf individuals face difficulties with sign language. In places like schools and public spaces, these barriers can make interactions difficult. Our motivation is to create a more accessible and inclusive way for people to communicate, similar to how Google Translate bridges spoken languages. Our app first detects hand signs through a phone camera, machine learning algorithms then interpret the gestures and instantly translates them into English text.
Our core features include real-time translation and educational tutorials for learning sign language. We also plan to introduce bi-directional communication and a community platform for progress tracking and engagement. By combining translation technology with educational tools, LingoMotion helps bridge the communication gap while encouraging more people to learn and understand sign language. Through LingoMotion, we hope to encourage people to support accessibility-focused technology and take small steps towards inclusive communication, helping create a more connected and supportive society.